Hello everyone, welcome to Automation Community. In this session, we are going to see about timers. Before entering into the topic, kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. So timers is one of the important concept in PLC. Even you can find the timer application in our home appliances also. For example, take an induction stove or automatic washing machine, or even in television or even in TV remote, you can find the timer features. So what is the working of timer in the induction stove? You can put that into the, if you're cooking something and you have to give a time delay so that after some time it should automatically turn off. So you can set a timer, and after that particular time duration, automatically it will get turned off. So same like in washing machine also, you can set a timer for the whole operation. So for example, you can set a timer for 30 minutes, and when you press the start button, the timer will get start. So after in this 30 minutes, this washing, the working is completely splitted and it will be done before this 30 minutes. So even in TV also, you can use timer to put a TV on sleep mode. So like that, in home appliances also, we can find the working of and the usage of timers. But in industries, timers are mandatory. To write a logic for the big machines, timers are mandatory. It is used to create a time duration or time delay between two events. So let's see what is this timer. So timers in PLC are used to create a time delay between two events. So it will help the programmer to write a logic to turn off or turn off or on the equipments automatically with some other event. So if this happen, the next step have to be turn on automatically, means you can make use of the timer. So that's it. Types of timers here. So on delay timer, off delay timer, and retentive timers. So what is on delay timer? So the name itself implies that it is creating a time delay to turn on a process. For example, you're turning on a switch for the motor, but you don't want your motor to turn on immediately, but after 30 or 40 seconds. So in between this, you are turning on after 40 seconds only your motor have to turn on, means you can make use of this on delay timer. So if you put a on delay timer in between the switch and the motor, what will happen? When you turn on the switch, automatically timer will turn on. So timer will start counting like 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, and it will reach up to 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, it will give one trigger to the motor so that motor will get turned on. So this is on delay timer. And what may be the off delay timer? Yes, obviously it is used to give the time delay to turn on a output device or whatever you want to turn off, you can turn off. So how it will works? Let's take the same example. You have a switch, you have a motor. You are turning on the switch, your motor is running, fine. But you are going to turn off the switch, but you don't want your motor to turn off immediately, but after some time. So in this case, what you can do, you can make use of the off delay timer, and you can utilize the features of timer off delay, and you can turn off the motor after some seconds. So that is timer off delay. So what is this retentive? So the word retentive means it retains. So I'll just go back to on delay and off delay timer. So these two timers are non-retentive timers. So what is this non-retentive means? For example, you're turning on the switch and you have a motor over there, and in between you have a timer on. So turning on the switch, a timer started running and started counting from 0 to 40 seconds. So in between you are turning off your switch. What will happen means your timer will go back to 0 and timer will also get off. Timer will go off and the timer will go back to 0. Again, if you turn on a switch, it will start counting from 0 only. So it will not start counting with where it stops. So those type of timers are called as retentive, non-retentive, and retentive timers can able to retain the value. So anyhow, I'm going to explain this non-retentive and retentive concept using CX programmer. Okay, that time I hope you will get more clarity on that, right? So I'll meet you in the next session with what are the types of timers we are going to use in CX programmer. So before that, kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. Thank you.